Welcome to Creative Tien channel. Today I want to do a machine knitting technique. It's called pleating. It creates triangle shape ridges and I think it's very interesting. And you will need a knitting machine with a ribber. I'm using my bulky Brother 260 with the ribber. And we are going to use a 4 needle rib. So for the pitch, it will be half pitch. And I have it set on number 4, H4. So basically, we pull out the needles on both sides. If you see closely, they are a little bit off, so they don't hit each other. That's the half pitch. For this sample, I'm going to start from the left 20 to the right 20. And I'll pull out all the needles. You can follow the instruction manual for 4 needle rib and do it properly with the zigzag row and 3 rows of the selvage rows. Or you can do the shortcut like what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to do the E-rub. I'm dropping down the ribber a little bit so I can put my yarn in. When it's a needle for the ribber, I E-rub it the same way as usual. And next is the ribber needle. I do it oppositely from the left side. So it looks like it's a full circle. And then it's the regular E-rub again, from right to left. And then left to right for the ribber needle. And then right to left for regular E-rub. Left to right. Right to left. And make sure it's not too tight. And we do that all the way to the end. After the E-rub, I will knit 1 row and hang some weight. The first row can be difficult to knit, and that's normal. Now we just need to hang some weight. I will use this cast on comb and hang some weight here. Now we are ready to set up the stitches for the fold. I'm going to have 5 stitches and then transfer 2 stitches, 5 stitch, transfer 2 stitches. So every panel will have 5 stitches. And the 2 stitches will be the ridge, either the highest or the lowest point. So I can start in from the left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to transfer 6 and 7 to the ribber. I will use my double eye transferring tool. And those 2 empty needles, we push it back to A position or the non-working position. And then we count another 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this time we are going to transfer 6 and 7 from below, from the ribber stitches to the knitter. So I can count it below here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is a 6. Transfer to the 6th stitch on the top. 6. And the same with the 7th stitch. Transfer to the 7th stitch on the knitter. And then we take those 2 empty needles to non-working position. We will just keep repeating that and alternating knitter and ribber First, we transfer to the ribber, and the second one we transfer to knitter. So the next we are going to transfer to the ribber again. So we count 5 stitches, and then the 6 and 7 will transfer. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 6. It's a little bit toward the right side. And remember to put those needles to non-working positions, A position. And we will keep counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This time we are going to transfer to knitter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one. And 7. Take these 2 needles off, and we continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we transfer the 6 and 7 stitches to the ribber. And then we are at the end, so I'm not going to transfer anymore. Now you can see what we have. We have 2 stitches on the ribber, 2 stitches on the knitter, 2 stitches on the ribber, 2 stitches on the knitter, and just alternate. I have the part button on one side for the knitter, and a normal knitting for the ribber. So you will knit both ways on the ribber, but for the knitter, you will knit only one side. So we'll just knit back and forth until the length you like. And then we just have to transfer all the ribber stitch to the knitter and then bind off. That's the final sample. You can see the ridges and the valley. And this is the back side. I like the texture. It's easy to go back to the shape, even if you open up. And this is useful for skirts. If you have a pleated skirt, you can sew up one side, and the fold will keep its shape. I hope you liked the project today, and see you next time.